Come on along. Yeah, why would that be in there? That's not supposed to be in there.
No.
That's to get it past, and then your snap ring is supposed to go in that groove. Where's the snap ring? Is there one in there?
No, it's pretty rusty.
Holy God.
Yeah, it's in there.
It's in there, huh?
It's way in there.
That'll be more than an hour each. We'll have to go like 4 hours each and bill them for that, huh?
Probably.
So yeah, this is just like those cylinders for the harvester head. Typical John Deere.
Jeez.
Look at that. Well, it is a road grader. What did he say? 772 Big Henry. Troy, are you gonna earwax?
Hope so.
Can you hear?
What?
God, look at it in there. Troy, you can see light, Kyle. I mean, you can see light on the other side.
There it is.
I like your intensity. Look at, he's got the best hat on and there is.
That ain't moving.
Logger Wade. Okay, well I'll shut it off now, but larger Wade, I always call it. When I try typing in Logger Wade on the internet, it goes larger Wade, so he must have an anaconda too.
Welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club, huh? This is the afternoon, what do we call this? The afternoon cruise. We're just, somebody delivered 3 cylinders for me. For the boys. Grader. 772 Big Henry. Yep. Okay, I'll let them work on that and bring it back. How much rust is in there?
All of it?
Think it's ever been apart?
Not in our lifetimes.
Holy man, you're smacking her hard, ain't you? This one of them where you need a table with a 4-ton, 100-ton winch on one end and a,
Ponzi ergo winch on the other.
yeah, a tether. Tether it to a tree up on the mountain and hang a Ponzi from it and maybe she'll come out of there.
Probably not.
I'll leave you boys to your vices then. Ha! Vices. She moving at all?
A little bit.
Well, if it moves a little bit, it'll move a lot at one time.
Well, we're getting to the growed out part now.
You're growed out? Holy, you need a bigger bench. Your bench is lifting up like 400 millimeters. That must be spinning. Watch out, Troy. Hey, good thing you hook up a drain hose. That's kind of cool. Look at that. Look at the rust on that puppy. That's a good thing. If this one's the bad one, then the other two should come easy, huh?
How do you know this is the bad one?
Because of the way it lays. The rust and shit, it says center. So this is going to be probably them other ones are vertical. So road salt and shit won't sit in the... I could be wrong. I'm probably wrong, right?
Yeah.
If you don't know, what? What's the saying?
Hard telling.
Hard telling if we don't know? I don't want my camera full of oil. There you go. Oh, wow, Whitey. Well, the pistone's out. The glandy's out, I mean.
80.
Look at, Whitey, you better get some fresh oil in that grater. Can't have white oil in there, that's no good. You want me to set that, loosen that up and drop her down on that jack stand for you?
I should have melted them seals too.
Look at there's chunks in there. You're in that stupid groove.
In that stupid area, I can't fucking swim.
Come towards me a little bit with your up.
Wow.
This is what earning your dollars is for, huh? Uh-oh, here comes the big mighty truck driver. Yeah, you're stuck in that. You should have, I'm not gonna say nothing. You think that little orange piece that was still in there would help you get past that?
No.
No, because the chamfer's the other way, correct? You're sweating.
Sweaty job.
There you got her. There you got her. Oh, Whitey, look at that there.
Probably just ripped on the way out though.
What a bitch.
Do you think that ripped on the way out?
Yeah.
The wiper? Pressure seal. Well, that could have been because, oh, God, shine your light in there. Please. You think there's any debris in there? Yeah, if you would have put that orange thing back in there is my point.
No.
Because the sharp edge is here.
It'll just be something else to get fucked.
Well, I know we're replacing them anyways, but okay, I can make a video out of that. I think that's bigger than the ones you need for your Anaconda. 4 inch? See you later.